Hey, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about the do-it-yourself auto repair specialist. That's you in your garage trying to get your motor running or trying to fix that one little thing on your car that it seems like can never be fixed. So if you look at the videos, we have a couple of major repairs. For instance, reframing a Jeep, reframing a Ford pickup. We have minor ones, for instance, installing an oil gauge on your vehicle. Or we have, well, if you're fixing your engine, how to determine if your crankshaft needs to be replaced, how to save you some big money there, and how to repair a crankshaft so that you don't wind up spending $500-600 unnecessarily. Now, I am an ASE certified engine machinist, collision repair technician, as well as an advanced level master automotive technician. I do love Land Rovers, and quite a few of the engine videos are Rovers. However, these principles apply to all engines as well as all vehicles. Every vehicle can have an aftermarket oil pressure gauge put on it. It doesn't have to be your 1996 Land Rover Discovery. But look through the videos and have yourself a good time. Most of these repairs can be done with a modest amount of tools, and you don't need a tremendous investment in expensive machinery and expensive equipment. And I show you exactly how to do these things with the most basic tools. Okay? Now, you do need an air compressor, but it doesn't have to be a 5 horsepower, two-stage air compressor. It can be something smaller. And yeah, as a matter of fact, you don't even need air tools. You can do this all by hand if you really want to. So look through the channel and have a nice day.